Hi, my name is Kelly Noble Mirabella, and I'm here to show you how to use the best social media scheduler of 2021. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified when new content hits the channel, but only if you want the latest tools and strategies, tactics, and more around content marketing. I am about to share something with you that will change your life forever. Okay, not really, but it will make your life a whole lot easier. So let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is that you can be managing all of your social media accounts, and if you have them, your clients' accounts, with one app called AgoraPulse. Hands down, the best social media scheduler for 2021. This amazing tool lets you plan out everything from what days and times to post for your broadcasts and your content, to which platform, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, even YouTube, and even allows you to schedule posts in advance so that posts automatically at the appropriate time and without any effort on your part get posted. Let me break it down with my 5 reasons that make AgoraPulse my favorite social media schedule for 2021. Number 1, inbox zero. As someone who's been managing social media for over 14 years, I know I look fabulous, forget about it. I have tried all the social media tools. It has always been hard to find tools that not only allow me to schedule content, but also where I can manage my comments and inbox messages all in one place. Inbox zero is one of my favorite sanity savers because I'm able to give the best customer service and answer all kinds of client questions all in one spot. I find this feature especially useful when managing my YouTube comments, as YouTube itself does make that managing of comments pretty uneasy. I just log into AgoraPulse and all my comments and all my private messages are in one place, so I can easily answer, respond, and clear the queue. All right, number 2, power reports. Sounds very like pew, 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 right? Well, most social media scheduling tools offer scheduling and some offer management options from one dashboard. Something that AgoraPulse does uniquely is its reporting. I have always given my clients reports every month to show the status of our work and how their social media profiles are performing. But it took me so long to compile these reports from all the various social networks that we were managing. I have tried all the reporting tools under the sun, and at one point, if you could believe it, I was paying upwards of $200 per month just for reports because they bring that much value to my clients. I was thrilled to see that AgoraPulse offers the industry's best social reporting. I can easily customize my reports for clients, do competition comparisons, and see what is working and where we can make improvements in a future, all at a glance. AgoraPulse's power reports are a game changer for anyone who takes social media seriously. If you do want to learn more about power reports specifically, check out this video right here and I will teach you all about that in that video. Okay, let's talk about 3 and 4, innovation and customer service. Something else that makes AgoraPulse my favorite social media scheduling tool is they are always innovating. When I started in social media marketing years and years ago, I started with Hootsuite, like many others. After a while, I realized that they were just not interested in innovation. The Hootsuite of today is basically the Hootsuite of my early days in the business. Not to mention their customer support left a lot to be desired. But when I started using AgoraPulse, I saw right away that they were listening to their customers and always adding super valuable features or improving on what was already working. You can tell they really value their customers and always work on bringing the best product to market. The customer service is also outstanding. I always get fast responses to my inquiries and everyone is so friendly. This is so refreshing in today's digital world. In fact, AgoraPulse scores 93% on the largest review site in the world, G2 Crowd, far above Hootsuite and Sprout Social. So don't just take my word for it. All right, number 5, on the go. As a mom and a business owner, I am always on the go. I can literally run my business from my phone. And thanks to AgoraPulse, that has never been more true. I'm able to schedule content, check messages, respond to comments, and see all data from the palm of my hand, thanks to AgoraPulse and their mobile app. AgoraPulse just makes it so easy to be productive and engaged. So you can tell there are many, many reasons that I rank AgoraPulse as the best in the business for 2021. But I have barely scratched the surface of all the features that I love. Features like client approvals and shared calendars and social listening can really help your agency grow. And now I'm even more excited to share with you because AgoraPulse just recently announced that they're now offering a free starter account. That's right, you can get an account for one individual with up to 3 social profiles totally free. This is a great plan for people just starting out or those who want to check the platform out for themselves. Or if you're ready to get the agency level plans or pro plans, you can try AgoraPulse Pro accounts for 2 months free with my link. I went ahead and listed it here as well as down below. I would never share a tool I don't use all the time and love, so trust me when I say I have waited my whole career for a tool like AgoraPulse. It just feels so good to finally find the one. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you using AgoraPulse yet? Why or why not? Let me know down in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the latest tutorials and expert advice when it comes to leveling up your content marketing. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and start creating.